let's get into the next layer. See, I told you the fourth bhava indicates, listen carefully and write down carefully. I will be slow. I will be extremely slow while giving rules now. The fourth bhava indicates motherhood. Am I correct? I told you the fourth bhava indicates motherhood. Who attains motherhood? It is obviously the stree or women who attain motherhood. So write down, if the fourth bhava lord, if the fourth bhava lord loses bala or is associated with a ashubha graha or is associated with a ashubha graha. Write down the way I'm telling. I will give you the explanation. And is in a female sign. And is in a female sign. The relationship signified by that bhava. That relationship signified by that bhava. Write down even if you don't understand. The relationship signified by that bhava will have delay, difficulty in attaining motherhood. Now, I will repeat this at one stretch and then I will go about with the explanation. So listen carefully. So the fourth bhava, what did I tell you? It indicates motherhood, right? Who attains motherhood? It is the stree. So when the fourth bhava lord is afflicted, loses strength, or if the fourth bhava lord is associated with a ashubha graha and he happens to be in a female rashi, the bhava which that rashi signifies will have delay, will have difficulties in attaining motherhood, right? So to understand this rule further, let's go and cast a horoscope. All of you cast a horoscope while I just plug on the iPad to Mac. And while I'm plugging on, I can also go about and all of you, please cast a chart. People in the southern part of India, please stick with the standard South Indian chart. People who are in the northern part of India, the North Indian chart would be shared for your convenience. So please write down while it's connected. You can draw and write down Mithuna Lagna. Draw and cast Mithuna Lagna. And you're just going to add two grahas. First is, what you can do is you can add Buddhan Bhagavan in Meena Rashi. You can add Buddhan Bhagavan in Meena Rashi and Ketu Bhagavan in Meena Rashi and Ketu Bhagavan in Meena Rashi. So here we go, we connected. So just one thing that you need to do, we're just going to add two grahas. So Mithuna Lagna. Hope I'm unmuted. All of you can hear me? All of you can hear me?
Sir.
One person is.
Yes, sir.
Mithuna. Buddhan Bhagavan in Meena Rashi. Ketu Bhagavan in Meena Rashi. Now let's apply this rule in order to get a clarity on the rule. So who is the fourth bhava lord for Mithuna? I want you all to tell me this in unison. All of you together. Who's the fourth bhava lord?
Mercury. Buddha Bhagavan.
Buddhan Bhagavan. Right. Where did we put Buddhan Bhagwan? We have put Buddhan Bhagwan in the 10th bhava, but how is Buddhan Bhagwan here? How is Buddhan Bhagwan here? So is he strong or is he weak? Is he strong or is he weak?
Weak.
So the 4th bhava lord is debilitated. And who is the 4th bhava lord along with?
Ketu.
He is along with Ketu. So again, is he weak?
Yes, weak.
Yes, sir.
Let's go and apply the rule. Right? Listen carefully. The 4th bhava indicates motherhood. Marking it for all of you. The 4th bhava indicates motherhood. Okay. When the 4th bhava, right, which indicates motherhood. So when the 4th bhava lord is getting into a balavina or is associated with a Ashubha Graha, does it actually satiate both the rules, even though just one rule needs to be satiated? Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Even if one person
Yes.
does not understand, tell me, no, I didn't understand. And if he is in a female Rashi, which Rashi is this? Which Rashi is this, all of you? Meena Rashi? Is it a male Rashi or female Rashi?
It's feminine.
Then the relationship associated with that bhava will have a delay problem pertaining to childbirth. What does the 10th bhava signify as far as the relationship is concerned? 9th bhava signifies
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law. Very good, very good. So here you have the 4th bhava lord who is getting into a balavina. He is along with Ketu and he is in a female sign. Right? The moment he is in a female sign, the bhava, the relationship that he signifies, which is the mother-in-law, will have delay pertaining to the child. So the first thing that you should ask is your wife, was your wife born late? Right? Did your mother-in-law deliver the child late? And the answer would be yes. After a lot of time, my mother-in-law delivered this baby girl, and this baby girl became my, right? This is the rule. Why? Because the Bhavadipati, which indicates what? Attainment of motherhood, is afflicted. And where is he positioned? He is in a Bhava. When it is in a female sign, that Bhava will have to bear its affliction. Let's cast another horoscope. All of you go on mute. Let's cast another horoscope. Now, put the Lagna as Simha. The Lagna as Simha Lagna. In the 12th Bhava in Kataka Rashi, you're going to put Shani. In the 12th Bhava in Kataka Rashi, you're going to put Shani. In the 2nd Bhava in Kanya Rashi, you're going to put Mangala Bhagavan and Kedu Bhagavan. Right? So Kataka Rashi Shani Bhagavan, Kanya Rashi Mangala Bhagavan and Ketu Bhagavan. So, right? We need to get off this numbering shortly. Okay. Okay. Now again, which relationship does the 2nd Bhava indicate? Which relationship does the 2nd Bhava indicate? Any one of you?
Immediate family.
Mother.
Immediate family.
Family, okay, ma'am, but we need to apply the rule here. We are talking about what? We are talking about motherhood.
Mother.
So we need to pick somebody in the family who can attain motherhood.
Mother.
Who's it?
wife.
Who's it?
Mother's elder
No.
sibling.
Very good, very good. My Periamma, my mother's elder sibling. Am I correct?
Okay.
All of you? Yes? Anybody has a doubt? My mother is my fourth bhava. My mother's elder sibling is the fourth 11th. Is the fourth 11th, right? Mother is the fourth bhava, right? Mother's 11th, which is mother's elder sister, right? Because we are talking about motherhood here, is what? Is the second bhava. Now, let's apply the rule. Somebody needs to go on mute. Okay, so let's apply the rule. So here, what do we see here? Who is the fourth bhava lord? The fourth bhava lord is Mangala Bhagavan. How is Mangala Bhagavan here? Mangala Bhagavan is along with Ketu Bhagavan, as it is affliction. The fourth bhava, which indicates motherhood, the fourth bhava lord is afflicted. On top of that, what do we have? We also have a Shani Bhagavan also having a drishti. So immediately you should say, sir, ma'am, your mother's elder sister, did she have a delayed childbirth? Or was there complication pertaining to the childbirth? Please write down. Did she have a delayed childbirth? Because inevitably, these are the ways as to how it will work out. Had a delayed childbirth, or did she have complications pertaining to the childbirth, or did she have a putra dosha, or there will also be people who would say, sir. Sir means who would say? The Periyamma or the mother's elder sister would say, sir, after the birth of the child, immediately my health started declining, my health started deteriorating. This would be the way as to how it would work. So just see here how much is coming to you right from the fourth bhava, right from the fourth bhava. So let's say you have the 12th, right? Which happens to be what? Which happens to be a female sign. It has to be a female sign, by the way, right? Then immediately you would say what? Your father's mother, because the 9th indicates your father, the 9th fourth indicates your father's